Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix your voice mod not working on Roblox. Let's begin. First, open up your voice mod and also your Roblox player, okay? We need to check first your voice mod settings. So over here, I have voice mods opened. Now, normally, I'll just set back to the voices over here. This is what your normal interface will look like. I want you to hit the gear icon, settings. Make sure that the appropriate device that you're currently using is selected over here for both microphone and headphones. All right. You can easily click on the drop down. Then once you've successfully confirmed it's the correct device, you can test it over here yourself and see if it's working. Then minimize or close, just minimize the voice mod. I want you to go to your Windows Start button over here. Just type sound settings. Okay. So here again, do the same thing. Make sure that your input for this part, make sure it is a voice mod. All right. And then also make sure it's also the appropriate headset you're using. Then close this part, go back to your Roblox player. Then here, let me just check. See, okay, here. Okay, so click on this icon over here, Roblox menu, go to settings. We need to locate we got the output device. Let me just check. And just right over this part, output device, you should have input device just above here. If you have your account verified, it should definitely show up in here. So just make sure to select voice mod on the settings like this one, and everything should now be working properly in your voice mod. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.